Hi everyone. So in the last video we discussed about this particular question called valid anagram, and we solved this question by using a particular method, which is we have converted the strings into an array and then we sorted and we checked whether both array are equal. Now we are going to solve the same question with a different approach. Now I'll just continue with the remaining things. So I have taken string s and string t. If the length of the both string is not equal, then we are going to simply return false. Right. Now the next thing, we can create a hash map for this question. So hash map so the key will be character and the value will be integer, and I'll name the map as map1. And then same thing we need to create for the second string, so map2. Now what I'll do, I'll simply run a loop for this given string. And then we'll add each and every characters in the hash map. So for that we have the method name called put. So map one dot put the character s dot caret I, and then if the character is already present in the string, then we need to increment it. So for that I'll get the value for the given character. So map dot get or default and the character value, and we have to do this for the second string also. So it should be smaller case m. We'll copy the same line. Okay, here it should be t, so t, and then here it should be t. Now outside this one, if map1 dot equals map2, then we are going to print true. So just copy this one. We are going to return as true. If it is not, in else block will return false. Now we'll run this one. Race car and car race. Yes, it is printing true. Now let's see for the false case. Now it is returning false because the characters are not same, right? So this is what the second approach for this question. Thank you.